Kalispera! Σήμερα έχουμε a very tasty and easy spaghetti dish to make. Now you'll need spaghetti, parmesan cheese, fresh mushrooms, Canadian bacon, heavy cream, half a cube of chicken stock, and salt. Add a pot of water to boil. Soon as it boils, add 3 heavy pinches of salt and then the spaghetti. Cook the spaghetti al dente according to the package instructions. As soon as your spaghetti is cooked al dente, it's time to strain it. Now it's time to cut the fresh mushrooms and the bacon. Let's begin with the mushrooms first. Cut each mushroom into 3 or 4 pieces depending on how big it is. Like my mother always says, κόψε τα μανιτάρια χοντρά να τα καταλάβουμε. As soon as you're done cutting the mushrooms, place them in a bowl and put them to the side. Now it's time for the bacon. In this recipe, I love using Canadian bacon. This bacon is around half an inch thick, or 150 grams. Cut the bacon into slices and then into little cubes. You don't have to use Canadian bacon. You could use the bacon of your choice. As soon as you're done cutting the bacon, place them in the bowl and put them next to the mushrooms so we can begin cooking. Now we need a pan, medium to high heat. We're not going to use any oil. We're going to cook the bacon for 3 to 4 minutes in its own fat. After 3 to 4 minutes of cooking the bacon, we add the mushrooms. Mushrooms, they're like a sponge. They're gonna soak up all that great fat from the bacon and get some great flavor from them. Carry on cooking the mushrooms and the bacon together for 3 to 4 more minutes or until they turn both golden brown. The mushrooms and the bacon are golden brown, so let's add the heavy cream. Add the cube of chicken stock. We want medium heat now and let it simmer for around a minute. After a minute of simmering, we add the parmesan cheese and give it a good stir. The parmesan cheese is a very salty cheese. That's why I don't add any salt. If you like, you could add a pinch or 2 of salt. Now, let's add the spaghetti. Alright, now, let's start stirring and folding until all the spaghetti is covered with heavy cream. When all the spaghetti is covered in cream, it's time to serve. Like always, και καλή σας όρεξη!